Hey guys, this is Myanmar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, we are going to see how to use copper fill area in KiCAD. Well, pouring the copper on the PCB have several benefits. You can Google it or you can search about it more. But in this PCB, we are using here a copper fill area for better efficiency of our PCB. Okay, and instead of making the tracks like we have created the tracks for input and output, we are going to pour the copper on whole board. So how can we do that? So for pouring the copper on whole board, we have to select the front copper layer. Okay, and then we will use this draw field zone. Okay, then we will make a rectangle outside of our board, so it will ask which net you want to use. So I'm gonna use ground net. Okay, so I'll hit OK, and then I'll make an external rectangle. All right, so once you complete this, just hit the shortcut key B. So once you press the B, as you can see, like our whole board is poured with the ground. Okay, if you see here, like all the pins or the components which have ground, they are connected with the poured copper. Okay, so in this way we can use the copper fill area. Okay, if I turn on the 3D view, see,